what's up? I'm Meredith. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys can see, I've changed up my scenery today because I have a little something different to show you. Today I have teamed up with Fashion Kicks and they have sent me a bunch of stuff. I know you guys can't see the stuff in the frame, but we've got lots of stuff to show you today. They are all designer dupes. They are not originals, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of a haul and unboxing with you guys today to show you what Fashion Kicks sent my way. They are also offering you guys $10 off your order with code MERIDETH10. I will put that in the screen and also in the description box. I'm really excited about today because, to be quite honest with you, I'm not somebody who wants to spend thousands of dollars on a purse. I'd rather book a flight, if you know what I'm saying. So these are all affordable luxury dupes. Let's get right into it. Should I start with a pair of sneakers or should I start with a purse? I am going to stay true to who I am and I'm going to start with a pair of sneakers. This is a pair of sneakers that I have always wanted. In an alternate universe, I would be a sneakerhead. I love sneakers. I am a former collegiate basketball player. I've always loved sneakers. I always will. I just don't have it in me to be an actual sneakerhead and trying to fight to win sneakers online or make up bots and things of that nature. I just don't have it in me, and I'm not gonna go and spend 5, 6, 7 times the retail value on another site. This is a great way to get the sneakers that you really want at a super affordable price. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with opening a pair of sneakers that I've wanted for a really long time. These are the Yeezy Boost 700. I am obsessed that they were sent my way. I am so excited about these. And I do have to tell you guys that I don't have anything to compare the dupes to the original, but from the looks of it and from the photos, these look spot on. I'm obsessed with these. I really cannot wait to wear them. I am a size 7 in men's and also 7 in kids. I'm assuming the sizing will be perfect. I have not tried anything on yet. I'm so excited about these. Next up is another pair of Yeezys. These are the foam runners and they pretty much essentially remind me of Crocs. I don't know how they're gonna look on my foot. I thought maybe they would look a little bit funny. I'm really excited about these. From the looks of it, they are spot on. These guys are really good. I cannot wait to wear them. And also, like, I love being able to wear them without socks, but I also love the idea of wearing them with socks. All right, let's move on to something from Louis Vuitton. I have also wanted this for a really long time. I have looked for used versions. I've looked for the real thing, and I just never pulled the trigger. I love that it comes in a really sweet box, also a dust bag. And this is perfect for somebody who runs their own business, who uses lots of calendars and notepads and notebooks. I'm really excited about this. I think that the quality and the material is really amazing. A little bit of a closer up look. You can put some cards in here. You can put your little notebook or calendar right in here. And it essentially is a notebook cover. And I'm so excited about this. I honestly feel like it's Christmas morning. This is like one of the most exciting packages that I've received in a really long time because these are all things that I've wanted for a really long time but just couldn't afford. I'm really happy that Fashion Kicks sent these my way. I really hope to work with them again because their stuff is just so good. Next up is a pair of Jordan 1 Lows. Let me just make this very clear. My favorite Jordans are the 1s. I'm a Jordan 1s girl through and through. I don't care if they're lows. I don't care if they're highs. I even have a couple of mid pairs that a lot of the OG like sneakerheads say that they're not really part of the sneaker collecting world. I don't really care what they say. Of course, I prefer to have the OGs. So this is my first pair of lows. These are the Jordan 1 Lows in sort of a Carolina blue color. I'm really excited about these because I am such a high top girl, so it's gonna be awesome to have a pair of Jordan 1 Lows. These are, I am so happy about this. Everything is such high quality. Everything is made really well. And from your eye, how can you tell that these are a dupe? You can't. It's like the real thing. It's amazing. Staying on theme with my favorite Jordan 1s, I got a pair that I would never be able to afford on my own. I've been eyeing for so long, you guys. These are the off-white Jordan 1s in powder blue. I could not be more excited about these. You have no idea. From the looks of it, everything looks really great. I mean, it even comes with this tag that all the other ones have. I don't know about the color. I'm gonna have to go back and look at the picture. It seems a little bit lighter from what I remember seeing. Again, I've never seen these in person before, so I don't have anything to compare it to, but all I know is that I love them and I'm really happy that they're going to live in my closet. Moving on to the last bag that I'm going to show you guys. First of all, let's talk about this packaging. It comes in this like fancy Louis Vuitton orange box with a little hang tie, which I think is super cute. And then it comes obviously with a dust bag, which I think it's really great for traveling and things of that nature and storing in your closet if you want to protect it. And then here we have a fanny pack that I'm definitely going to be wearing as a crossbody bag, not technically as a fanny pack. And I have not taken off the packaging, so I just want to quickly do that to look at the leather pieces. I'm going to go ahead and hook it up and see what this looks like. Okay, here we go. I'm so excited. I honestly feel like I have the real thing. I really have wanted this for a really long time as well. Let me just go ahead and make sure that the zippers work. There's lots of space in here, which I think is great. And this can be worn as a crossbody or as a fanny pack, but I definitely love wearing it like this. That way I can be hands-free when I'm out and about doing some shopping or whatever. I'm really excited about this. Next up is another Louis Vuitton piece, but this time they're boots. Oh my God. I keep saying that I'm excited, but it's because I'm really, really, really excited about these. So this is like a combat style boot. It has laces that go around and I love the thick sole. It has a little bit of a heel. It has the Louis Vuitton print in the leather here. This part is like a black suede. I just love it, but I also wanted to show you guys that it also came with like a little pamphlet, a little card. It comes with the dust bag for the shoes and also like Louis Vuitton wrapping paper, which I'm like really quite impressed with all of this. I am really excited to have worked with Fashion Kicks. I'm so excited they reached out to me to collaborate. This is a paid collaboration, but all of these thoughts and opinions are my own. I'm impressed. I am thoroughly impressed. I hope to work with Fashion Kicks again. Again, they are giving you guys away $10 with the coupon code MERIDETH10. So be sure to use that on checkout. And again, they have so many different brands. Any sort of luxury brand you could possibly think of, they have on their website. They even have Rolex watches. They have Givenchy. They have Balmain. They have, Prada, they have everything. So go ahead, give them a follow. I'll put all of their information below and I will put the links to all of these amazing pieces below as well. If you guys have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comment section. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys in the next one.